Gonna put a transmission in the Honda. Thanks for watching. You're gonna wanna watch this video. I think we're putting a Jasper transmission in. It's gonna be expensive. That one video I mentioned modifying the battery tray bracket to work on I think it was a Nissan Murano. Doing this transmission on the Honda. The battery tray bracket already comes modified the way I did it. That's cool. Perfect time of day. Boom. I don't want to say nothing, but another damn broken Honda. Saying. Out with the old Honda transmission and in with the new Honda transmission. I use the engine hoist because this thing's pretty beefy. You got a convenient little eyelet hook on there, which is kind of odd because Hondas never break. So why would they make it so you can work on it and stuff? All right, let's get this day rolling. Gonna put this thing in. I'm not sure why they didn't paint it. I don't know if it's they ran out of paint or maybe these things don't like the temperature that the added painting, you know, obviously the paint's going to increase the temperature slightly. Maybe that's a factor. I don't know. It's kind of weird it wasn't painted. First time I've ever gotten a transmission or engine from Jasper without it being painted. Remember when you were a kid and you play with those erector sets? That's kind of like what this is like. You put the bracket on the transmission, you put the cover on the bracket, and you put the bracket on the bracket. Then you got the last bracket goes over the brackets and it sits in there like that. There, look at that. It's just like an erector set like when I was a kid. You guys probably aren't even old enough to remember erector sets. They still make them? Oh my goodness, look how long it is. Such a small car. It's got such a long exhaust pipe. This thing must be 9 feet long. Maybe 10. Luckily it doesn't weigh much. Just pop it right up here. Pop this little hanger in. We're good to go. Boom. It's easy. It's easy. These since I put the air filter box already back in, you can't get to the fill tube with a regular funnel. So I got a regular small funnel and then I got a big funnel inside it. It also has a floppy loose dipstick. It's flopping around in the hole. The rubber's all dried up. So I put an AC O-ring around it and that makes it nice and snug. Could get a new dipstick, but then I gotta wait like a week for them to order one probably. Alright, now we're gonna go all up in this Honda. Get all deep up in her and see about resetting transmission adaptives and stuff. Got the transmission fluid perfect, right on the full line hot. It's been running a good 20-30 minutes. Ran it through the gears on the lift, make sure fluid circulated through the whole transmission. It calls for Honda Z1 fluid only, but they told me up front that the Valvoline Max Life we have works in its place. Hope they're right, otherwise I get to do the transmission over again. Sorry, this car does not support automatic VINs. What are you thinking, buddy boy? What are you thinking? Honda, boom. Okay. Check my Bluetooth, that's right. It's going to be a 16-pin USA. Retrieving vehicle information. Please wait. Alrighty, that's a Civic Coupe. 2002. Special function? No. System selection. Automatic transmission. been a little while since I've done a Honda, so I got to see if it's even going to have an adaptives like the Chryslers and a lot of those other vehicles, Fords. You definitely have to clear out the adaptives. Of course, I did have the battery disconnected half a day. But let's make sure. PCM, TCM reset. TCM has been reset. Boom. How do you like that? Let's read fault codes while we're in there. No current codes. I'll take this thing for a drive. Let's go now. I'll take this thing for a drive and we'll no check engine light. We still got a maintenance light. I can't get it to go out. I'll take it for a drive and see what we think. It's a beautiful day today. We got a nice, about 88 degrees. Nice. Oh, there goes the Matco man. Hey, Matco man, haven't seen you in a couple years. Sorry we haven't bought anything. Bye. That's how much they love you. They're your friends and your buddies. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, how you doing? Oh man, so good to see you. How's the wife and kids? Oh wow. And then you don't buy anything. See ya. We'll see how this thing drives. Second. Third. Fourth. Lock up. Nice. Oh, this is beautiful. This thing is going to be like a brand new car. I'll take it about 5 miles and then we'll send her the bill. That's not funny. Gotta get your protein. Highly recommend this stuff if you haven't tried it. Not sponsored, just good. Now that you see how I sorted this out and my methodical approach, fixing something 17 other shops couldn't fix, make sure you hit that bell notification to find out more about my awesomeness. I had to put that in there too. I gotta make sure I go all the way. I can't leave a little gap. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't yet. You know, it doesn't cost anything, right? All right, you guys are awesome. Thanks, man.